in here. It's not a good time for me right now. My dog George is blue. George the Chihuahua. He had there's something wrong with him. He's at the emergency vet right now. And I just felt like making this video. My hand was probably covering that. But if it was, then George, my Chihuahua, is at the emergency vet because he had an accident behind my. I was just watching wrestling, WWE, but he had an accident behind my mother's chair. He wasn't moving. He was breathing shallow and quickly. He was covered in poop. It was horrible. But I hope he's gonna be okay, because okay, this is funny. What's going on in the match is 4 people are beating up one guy, while the special guest referee is just kind of like looking the other way. And Shane McMahon came out and made it a no disqualification match. I'm keeping you filled in. If you don't watch WWE, you don't know what I'm talking about, but they are now getting weapons, like steel chairs. And Heath Slater, the special guest referee, is holding Baron Corbin down. And they now all have steel chairs. Apollo Crews, Kurt Angle, Chad Gable, and Bobby Roode. Except for Heath Slater, he doesn't get one. And now they're just kind of all beating up Baron Corbin. I like it. He's a bad guy. He's bad. I don't like him. No one likes him. Not in California. No one in the stadium likes him except for like 2 or 3 people. Watch, now someone else is gonna come out. Triple H first came out and said it was a handicap match. It was originally Baron Corbin versus Kurt Angle, but then Apollo Crews, Chad Gable, and Bobby Roode came out to make it a handicap match. Then Shane McMahon just came out and just said it was a no disqualification match so they could all get chairs. This video's halfway done before I'm out of storage space. Someone else is gonna come out. Yeah, they're just beating them. I don't want to get hit with a copyright strike, so I won't show you this, but I will mention them. And it's over. Kurt Angle won it. Hey, Blue. Don't do that. I'll stop doing that. I guess if I was blowing into your ear, you have very sensitive hearing. Whiskers. Sanic.exe. Sunky.exe. Anything.exe. Anything.exe is the best exe. You like Sons of Anarchy? Oh, they have a table. Yeah, everyone's grabbing a table except for Kurt Angle. He's in the ring. Isn't over yet. Heath Slater's even dragging Baron Corbin's lifeless body out of the way. He's not dead. He's still alive. He's just not moving. He's breathing. And they're about to put him through the table. I'm until 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Yeah, Red Ryder BB gun. Oh. Yeah, I know. It's just on camera. And through the table he goes. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Quick glimpse. I got the best shot of Corbin. Okay, that's about it. By the way, I'm really worried about George. If you couldn't tell. Bye.